Hello, welcome back to Family Investment. We've survived the first 3 quarters of 2021 and now we're running towards the final quarter 4. So today I want to showcase 3 key points. Before I begin sharing these 3 key points, I do appreciate an early thumbs like. And now for the very first case of my observation for Q4 2021 is again the VIX. The VIX has been playing very well for me to help me anticipate what's expected around the corner for the market each time. As you can see, back in April and March, the VIX went spike up in 2020 during the COVID and it spiked all the way to 90, and this indicates the market crash. And ever since that, on the Bollinger Band, as you can see in grey, it slowly dampens down as you go along. So as the VIX goes slowly down, it spikes occasionally like a tennis ball just drop and slowly dampening over. And when the next unexpected event comes up, the VIX will spike higher than the last one. So the last one in 2020 was back in November during the Biden-Trump election. So the tennis ball has been picked up at the location at the VIX at around 40 and re-dropped again. And so far from November all the way to September, it's been doing very, very well. It's been going to cruise control mode on an expected dip down. However, now in September, end of September, we see the VIX spiked up again because the Evergrande incident resetted the whole thing, keeping a cautious mind on every investor on Wall Street, globally, and also as retail investors. So for you investors with hoarding cash, just hang on, dollar cost average, but wait for the dip. Wait for the next big dip. I'm saying that potentially the VIX could go over 35, but we don't know that. We have to watch on the news on what negative sentiment on unexpected strategy that could harm the market. But for you, investors like me who's been buying in the likes of high VIX back in November, high VIX in March, April, and during the COVID crash, it's not a worry because we are not going to see a crash lower than this. This is what I'm saying just now. Again, for me, it's just waiting to buy on the next day, but it needs to be a dip big enough to attract for me to buy. But other than that, I'm just going to save up. So this is me for the VIX. And the second key point that I want to share is regarding the crypto. Q4 2021 for crypto is expected to be on a very huge bullish bull run. Historically, the Bitcoin in times like this, in the quarter going to Christmas, they will have a very huge bull run. And so far, the technical indicators is really replicating the last bull run. And what makes it even better to help the bullish cases, other altcoins are also having great news. Is the Ethereum EIP 1559 upgrade happening and the proof of stake conversion will be happening near about the Christmas period where no more mining for Ethereum is happening, and this will cause scarcity to push Ethereum up. Polygon Matic is also on a scaling and more wallets being used, and now they're surpassing a lot of competition and more adoption for Matic going on. Polkadot Parachain is also happening in auction hopefully in Q4, and there are a lot of brokers for the likes of Binance, KuCoin are all adopting the Parachain auction for Polkadot. This is going to make it very bullish for the scarcity of Polkadot. Followed next is the Solana adoption and scaling, which is ramping up on the rise, now rocketing to 200, and finally the Terra Luna recent upgrade and stablecoin adoption into scalability. So there's so many big huge crypto news for quarter 4 2021, and it's going really big, and this is a huge bullish case, especially riding on the back of the Bitcoin rise. Point number 3. Point number 3 is 2022 onwards. It will be all about a company, big, large corporation company on the big capex spending. Big capex spending meaning cash flows will be reduced for Q4, Q1, Q2 going onwards, where companies will be spending a large amount of the capital to hopefully build bigger infrastructures, build more factories, build more products, hope up for more research, and this will push the cash flow down, and this could potentially slow the increasing share price even slower. Good news is we're not going to see huge spikes up and down. Things are settling down. So big capex spending is to self-sustain, develop these companies over the long run. So what does it mean? All I'm saying is oil companies will start drilling, build new platforms again, start spending huge capital, raising cash. The likes of Facebook developing new products. The likes of Tesla building more gigafactories, expanding hopefully to hit the 1, 2, 3 million mark vehicles deliveries every single year. The likes of Nvidia, AMD teaming up with Taiwan Semiconductor, building more factories so that the scarcity of semiconductors in place. Microsoft building perhaps buyout cybersecurity companies. Google expanding beyond YouTube and also their social media and also the website. we will see a huge change. We will see good, nice, steady bull run, but capital expenditure will impact the cash price for future earnings coming ahead. So this is what I'm just sharing openly with you, because this quarter Q4 and 2022 onwards, it will be huge capex, will reduce cash flow. Good news for the long term. Short term, not as exciting, but I thought I'll share this with you to add to your research. Okay, so this is my 3 key points. I hope you have enjoyed the news and hope you can do more research around it, because I'll be watching this, I'll be sharing this as I go along, but I thought I'll share it upfront with everybody who follows me on YouTube. Thank you very much, take care, and hope you have a good day. Again, you can follow me on Patreon. Again, you can follow me on LiveSpot, where I do live coaching 5:30 UK time on Thursday. And other than that, hope to see you in future videos like this.
I hope you enjoyed that video. Check out our website link below. More videos up here.
Bye.
Bye.